How to fix CPU utilization was too low in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, open Start and type Power option. Click on Power and Sleep setting. Click on Additional Power setting. Click on Change Plan setting. Click on Restore Default setting for this plan. Hope your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Registry Editor. Right-click it and click on Run as Administration. Expand HKey Local Machine. Expand System. Expand Current Controller Set. Expand Services. Locate Intel PPM and click on it. Change the value to 0 and press OK. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe my channel.